Hey people, I have here a SCHLAGE Evil Bastard. This lock was sent to me by jmurdy. You can check out his vids on YouTube. It's somewhat like an American 700 series, except for the fact it's pinned with 6 pins. It has the AM6 keyway, and the pinning setup is quite similar to what you would find in a Brinks Max Security shroud. It has serrated key pins, and I actually haven't seen the drivers. I can see serrations on the key pins here. I haven't actually seen the drivers, but I feel serrations on them, and there is spools, so we're dealing with serrated hybrid spools and regular serrated drivers as well. So I'm going to go ahead in with my short hook. Feel those serrations. Try to avoid a false set.
Come on, the kid's problem is he's 11. He can't drive, he can't drink.
Okay, very deep false set.
Be thankful he's not in the garage biting the heads off of chickens. This isn't like him. Trust your first instinct. Just give him a little space, and probably by this time tomorrow. I will have killed him.
There we go. One evil bastard defeated. Alright, so let's see what all the fuss was about. This lock was sent to me because the guy that had it was having a real hard time with it. So he was kind enough to send it to me. So thanks a lot for that, man. Much appreciated. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate the plug, and I may as well just go ahead and dump these key pins. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's one stainless number 5 key pin, one brass number 5 key pin, 2 number 8 brass key pins, and 1 number 3, and anything 3 or below carries no serrations. But yeah, it's the first time I've seen a stainless steel serrated key pin in an American style lock. Quite interesting. Maybe we better have a look at those drivers. Just get. Oh.
Little snothead kicked me out of his room.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, but I'm the cool uncle.
Oh, and I'm the uncool dad?
Don't get defensive. You did the best you could.
Hey, that kid has nothing to complain about. He's never been spanked. He's never even been yelled at. And even while my marriage was collapsing, he always came first.
Well, I'm glad you're not defensive.
He has a great life. He gets everything he wants. I deny him nothing. Oh my God, what have I done to my son?
Alan, I was kidding. You're a terrific father.
You think so?
Yes, I do.
You know what, you're right. I'm always too quick to blame myself.
Yes, you are.
It's his mother's fault.
Attaboy.
Okay, I don't really have any way of dividing these up. So.
Would you like me to make you a snack, Jake?
Alright, from back to front, we have
Come on, he's up. He said he's not hungry. You leave when you want to.
one regular spool pin. Regular spool. Interesting. No serrations.
Right. Here. You pick something.
Thanks.
Cool, uncle.
Second from the back is also a regular spool pin.
Stupid. Boring. Stupid. Seen it. Stupid. Stupid. Stupid.
Third one in, also a regular spool pin.
Stupid. Dumb. Stupid.
Third one in, or sorry, fourth one in, also a regular spool pin.
Pick a stupid show and live with it.
Forget it. I'll just go to my room.
Wait. Nice going, cool uncle.
Oh, now it's my fault? Let me tell you something. Between you and your wacko wife, I'm an oasis.
Fifth one in, also a regular spool pin. And the pin in the first chamber is a stainless steel regular driver. So, there it is. Evil bastard. Slaughtered and gutted. So, thanks jmurdy for the lock. Awesome. Peace as always. Have fun. Don't use this info for illegal purposes. And check out UK Lockpickers for decent cool tools. And don't forget to stop by keypicking.com. Hell of a great lockpicking website. Until next time.